Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's training, I'm going to show you how you can use the highlighting command in Tableau. The highlighting command in Tableau helps you to analyze your data sets. In Tableau, it helps to show the different parts of a data set. It helps to show details about your data set when you are especially when you're making a presentation about your data set. You're trying to analyze your data set and you're trying to show various parts or you're trying to show various amounts, something related to your data set. It's a very powerful command in Tableau and it's very, very good for any data analyst to learn how to use this command in Tableau. Don't waste much time, let's go into that. Now, the highlighting command in Tableau is located at the toolbar. Once you click on, you have the highlighting options. So let me check all that. Then I have all fields. Now currently, this enabled sheet highlighting. The sheet highlighting is disabled currently. So now once I click on a particular part of the of my data set, for instance, I click on this, you can see only that particular part is highlighted. So it's this enable sheet highlighting. Even if I should click on this, it will only enable the sheet highlighting. It enables the sheet highlighting. You can see it is able the sheet highlight. It has enabled the sheet word highlighting. And when I click on enable the sheet highlighting, you can see now I selected this part of my data set. Now this data set represents gun violence in US. Now you can see the various places where gun violence occurred in US. It occurs in airport, religious center, and school, and other places beside airport, military base, religious center, and school. They will have a prior sign of mental health issue. Now, those people that have a prior sign of mental health issue, that's the offenders, those people that committed the crime, do they have prior sign of mental health issue? We have some it was none, yes. Why some it was no, some it was yet to be determined. Why some it was unclear whether they have sign of mental health issue or not. Then we have to ask further question whether the weapon that was used to commit this particular crime by the offenders, whether the weapon were legally obtained somewhere, yes, somewhere or no, somewhere yet to be determined, that the TBD, and why some it was unknown whether they had the weapon was legally obtained. Now, the very moment I clicked on this all parts, all field, and I selected this particular aspect of my data set, you can see the section I selected was I selected the weapon obtained legally. It only selected one yes, because that is the part I obtained. When I click on it again, it will matter. But when I click on any part of my data set, it gives me a brief description about that particular data set. Now you can see the location I'm currently on is others, prior sign of mental health issue to be determined, weapon obtained legally, yes, total victim by that particular crime committed by that offender at that time was 619. Okay, if I should click, for instance, I click here. Now you can see. Now I'm clicking the place where the offense committed was in school. To the offender have prior sign of mental health issue? No. The crime was committed in school. The shooting occurred in school, and the offender did not have any prior sign of mental health issue. Now, was the weapon obtained legally? Some of them that occurred, some of the shooting that occurred in the school, the gun violence that occurred in school, some of the weapons were obtained legally, which is yes, while some of the weapons were not obtained legally. So now I selected the part I selected was 25, which represents yes that the weapon was obtained legally. Now, the moment I selected that, Tableau is going to give me a description about that particular data set that I selected. Now you can see the description on that. So that's where all field highlighting does. Now, another way again to highlight a data set, see, the moment I highlight on this data set, all the other parts of my data set goes gray. Now, so only the particular highlighted part it becomes active. So I can be able to identify that particular data set and be able to extract the information or see the information I want to see in that particular particular data set. So once you just click on it again, it brings up the other data set. Now, let's go to this now. I have a location now. For instance, I want to select a location. I click on location. Now, if location talks about where the government is occurred in US, now for instance, I have various locations. For instance, I have this location which is orders. So whenever I click on anywhere here, you can see orders is only orders is highlighted. Only orders is highlighted. So those that have prior sign of mental health issue, orders. Now, for instance, if I uncheck that, so let's assume I go to school and I select a data set here. You can see only school is selected. So the ground violence that occurred in school, only that particular part of my data set is selected, while the rest aspect of the rest part of my data set goes gray. Now, those that have prior sign of mental health issue in gun violence that occurred in school, the offenders, those that committed the crime, do they have prior sign of mental health issue? Have no, unclear, yes. Now, some it was known they did not have prior sign of mental health issue, while some it was unclear whether they have prior sign of mental health issue, while some it was yes, they have prior sign of mental health issue. Now you can see out of those that they have prior sign, it was yes that they have prior sign of mental issue. Some of them the weapon were not obtained legally, some weapon were obtained legally. Now, but this particular portion of this data set is not selected. Why? Because I checked the status of the location. Now, if I'm interested in seeing location and if the weapon were obtained legally, I click on that. Now I clicked on this. Now the moment I select on any of my data sets, for instance, the military base, I selected on that. The moment I selected on military base because I selected yes for the military base. Now you can see my lighting section, the location and weapon obtained legally. Now you can see the location and weapon obtained legally. You can see only military base is selected. Only military base is only the portion of the data set within the military base is what's selected because I don't have the military base being repeated in my data set. If not, it would have highlighted other parts of the set. The military base only occurred once, and I'm also interested whether the weapon will obtain legally. Yes. Now you can see I selected the yes part of my data set. Only the yes was obtained. Yes was obtained. Now those are prior sign of mental health issue in the gun violence that occurred in military base. I have it was unclear whether they have prior sign of mental health issue, and we have another scenario, another case where it was yes, they have prior sign of mental health issue. Now under the part, those that have prior sign of mental health issue and it was unclear they have prior sign of mental health issue, were this weapon obtained legally? Yes, because I selected yes. But the moment I select unknown, you can see only the unknown portion will be selected. And only within the military was based. Now, okay, let me select now for school. Let me select to be determined. Okay, I have no here. I have no here. Okay, let me select this no. Like I said, selected no, highlighted no. Now only the school portion, within the school portion, the no is selected that the weapon will not obtain legally. Now you can see only the no was selected here, only the no was selected in this section, only the no was selected in this section. Because under the school, gun violence that was occurred in school, the people that have prior sign of mental health issue, because no, they did not have prior sign of mental health issue, so it was unclear. Why in some cases, yes, they have prior sign of mental health issue. How about those that it was yes, they have prior sign of mental health issue before the shooting occurred, before the shooting. The weapons, some cases the weapon were not obtained legally, some cases the weapon were obtained legally. So we're not interested in those that the weapon were not obtained legally. We highlighted that section. So within the location where the gun violence occurred, which is school, which is a location of interest, and we can see no, no, no. So if I'm interested in seeing that prior sign of mental health issue, and then you can see only this is selected. Now, because it's only within the school base, because I selected within the school base, the moment I uncheck this, it will check everything because what I highlighted here is prior sign of mental health issue. So the data set I selected here, it will highlight only prior sign of mental health issue. Only prior sign of mental health issue will be highlighted here. So in this particular case, if I should select only weapon obtained legally, only weapon obtained legally. Now I selected no or no weapon obtained legally no. You see, all is no. Weapon obtained legally no, 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 no. Why? Because what I highlighted here was weapon obtained legally. I'm interested to know in all the weapon violence of Congress, with the weapon obtained legally, I'm really interested to analyze no, 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 no. So that particular portion of the dataset is what selected and is what highlighted. Now, if I want to go to all field, which I told you, you click on all field, and when I click on all field, I select only one particular dataset, only that particular dataset will be selected, only that field will be selected. Now, the field is yours, weapon obtained legally under religious location, only that particular field will be selected. Okay, now I can disable this. When I disable sheets A, now it returns back to how it was. So we can enable that back and enable sheet highlighting, and that even when the enable is not showing, when the enable option is not showing, um, for instance, when the enable option is not showing now, to enable it, then we click on this. When we click on it, we can see this enable sheet highlighting. Also, before I go, now this is another data set I created. Now these are the various locations where governments occurred in US, the airport, military base, and school and workplace where gun violence actually occurred in US. Okay, now we have various places. Now I now have the race. Now, if I want to align, for instance, I have various ways. I have the white. The white is represented by purple. Now, when I click on white, you can see only one data set is selected. I click on it. Now, black, that's orange. I click on that. Only one particular data set is selected. But why? Because my aligning option currently is on all field. Now, the moment I click on race, so the moment I click on race, now and I check race right, in all my dataset, all the race will be selected, and I can see the victims of gun violence for each of the location where gun violence occurred in the US. So I should click black, only the black will be highlighted, so I can see the dataset. Now, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to all my social media channels, my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels. Thank you for watching.